Oh god. It's making the spicy sounds. Oh! Come on. I'm trying to abuse you. Why is it hard to blow up a locomotive? Come on. Noise catches you off guard. Let's line ourselves. That looks like it'll probably blow up. Actually, no. That looks like it'll probably blow up. Hello, my old friends. How are we doing? Oh, yes. It's so silly, but the sim is so good, too. It's got the right balance of lighthearted fun and hardcore sim. Like, this is really walking the perfect line for a video game. Blow them all up. Blow the tank cars up, please. There you go. Was that me? Oh, that was me. I spaghetted my boiler all over again.